Imagine you supposed to carry some goods from one place to another in a container. What type of a container you will prefer? We will firstly think whether it's light or heavy because carrying it should be convenient. Also, being live should make sure that is durable. And what if we notice the container is reacting with matter inside? So you also need to be sure that the container should not made up of reactive material. How we supposed to find all these qualities in a single container? What material can you think of when you hear strong and durable? Yes, that comes to mind is metal container. That would be ideally strong. But wait a second. Metals have a tendency to corrode or rust easily. So what should we use then? Is what we have? Plastic. That comes to our rescue. Yes, you heard me right. Plastic is most of the qualities that makes it a choice of making several articles. And what are these properties? We will take three most important properties that make a material of choice. Non-reactive nature, poor conduction of heat and electricity, and lastly, strength and durability. Can you tell me an examples of articles where each of these properties is used? Let me help you with that. Let's begin with non-reactive nature first. We know that metals usually get corroded or rusted easily. What does it mean? It means that in the presence of air and moisture, metals have tendency to get physically degraded or to form oxides. But plastic do not show the tendency like this. In fact, plastic do not react with air, moisture or even chemicals for that matter. As a result, no rust is formed. Hence, they can be widely used to store various types of liquids and chemicals. And where can this property applied? Yes, airtight containers can be made to store food or liquid items. Thus, this property helps us to protect and other important applications of plastics. Yes, in the medical field, because they do not react easily with the chemicals and are non-corrosive in nature. Bottles, sachets, and strips of a plastics can be used to store medicines. Along with these, even the syringes used is made up of plastic. And what about the gloves used by the doctor? Yes, plastic exists there as well. Anything else that we should know? The non-reactive of plastic is so reliable and it is even used to make threads that are used to stitch wounds. Yes, that threads used for stitching are made using plastic because it's safe on wounds. This was the short summary about the non-reactive property of the plastics. Do you remember the next property? Yes, it was the conduction of heat and the electricity. Let's discuss this property in detail in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.